It's snow day. Yes. It's like 7:30 in the morning. Am I even in focus? And we're just walking down to where we have to meet everyone, pick up our boards and get on that bus to go skiing or snowboarding or whatever. Should be fun. Picked up our boards.
Good, this is good.
It's so funny because I have this piece of equipment and I don't know what to do with it. It is cold. Pretty sure I'm late to my lesson. How long's the lesson?
2 hours this morning, 2.5 this afternoon.
Oh cool, we got 2.
That's the second one we're doing at 2 o'clock.
So you want to head to the no black flag. See the black triangle?
Yeah, update. I really suck. I don't know how Cat and Lai are doing because I haven't seen them yet because they're doing skiing. But hopefully I see them today. Update. I still suck. Reunited with Lai for lunch.
Yeah.
We haven't seen Cat yet. Update on my snowboarding. I still suck. How about you?
I had to stop, my feet were getting sore. So I got snow boots on.
We have another lesson after lunch. I don't know if we get free time. That's my new friend I've made. I'm just about as good as her right now. But I'm gonna go down. That's my board. You go, girl. Holy shit. She is flying. I'm not gonna record it because I'm not that confident, but hopefully I get down there with no broken bones. I stuck it 3 times this time. There's Lai. Lai! 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 Let's try this again. Stack number 278. Oh man, I just keep stacking. How are you in the skis, Cat? Great. Great. Your stacks aren't as bad as some other people that I've seen. You can go. Yes, girl. Good work. Oh, we caught the stack. And she recovered. Good work. So while Christina and Kat are doing the round, I am building a small army of ammo. Bye! Your icy butt. Oh my god! Sorry, am I distracting you? I saw them stacking and I was like, no, I don't want to be there. my lessons, I was supposed to have a second one, and I was just like, nah, bruh. It's 1:52. I'm gonna have a break and then go back up the ski field again. Hi. Going up the gondola. That's gonna stay on the line. That's crazy. What happened to my M&A? Oh, thank God. That's worse than breaking a rib.
We need to do this, right? Oh, we want to go around the side too.
We found some bean bags. And we're just going to chill up top here. Almost up on the mountain. Oh my gosh. Damn. Oh, you can't see. We're still at the top. Parallel shit. So I didn't finish it. It's still there. Alright, I'm gonna stop my finger. There's Cat. Doing her thing. Bending at the knees. Making a beautiful A shape with her skis.
We're lazy, man.
Mate.
It's Cat's adventure.
Yeah, I don't know if we ever said why we actually came. This one day, a few months ago, Kat was complaining that she needed a break from work and she wanted to go somewhere. And we were like, yeah, we'll go wherever you want to go. And she chose Queenstown. So, we've been following around, following her.
Living Cat's shooting. Bruh, it's freezing my face.
Do you want to go back down?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Thank you. Oh, now you can see it again. Seeing all these snowboarders. Snow day is over. We're just gonna walk back to our bus, drive back into town, return our gear. Today was tomorrow's our last day in Queenstown before we go do a road trip back up to Cardrona and then go home. We are at the Burger and there is a line. We got our burgers! How is it? I got the Ferg Deluxe. Oh my god. That looks insane. Seven in the morning. Today we're going to Milford Sound, so we had to get up early to go meet up with everyone that's going in. It's apparently like a 4-hour drive there, so.
Back on time, it gets us on a good platform.
Pit stop at, what is this place called?
On a road.
There was a sign. Eglinton Valley. Actually, I'll try it on here. Yes, I'll do a self timer. Next stop. We are at our next stop, which is Mirrored Lakes. So the idea of it being called Mirrored Lakes is, well, it mirrors it for the gram. So that's pretty cool. Is that the mountain? No, that's the mountain. No, that's the mountain. Pretty cool.
Yes! Work it, work it. The tree, pose on the tree. Yes!
Your way through to the restrooms, and like I said, there is a toilet on board, of course, but it's not the most comfortable thing to use when you drive.
Okay, so we're just at another pit stop. What was this pit stop called?
Monkey. Take a photo at the
This is Monkey Creek. And it's looking pretty good.
Oh.
It's cold.
It is.
Whoa. The view though. Can you not? Oh wow. Give us a taste. Whoa. It's so good. Time to get back on the bus. So far, so good. I actually thought, because it was such a long drive, I was telling Lai before, I thought that it would be really boring. Yeah. And I was actually kind of dreading it, but it's actually been so much fun. Yeah, we've been doing heaps of good stops, and our bus driver is really awesome. So it's so good. As well as everything else, highly recommended. Made it to Milford Sound. That's our boat.
Thank you.
Cheers.
How we doing? You guys alright?
Yep.
I feel like we're by now.
We're on the cruise now. Eating a pie. What a beautiful reaction. Nice. Yes, girl. And this behind me is a wee waterfall, as they like to call it here in Milford Sound. Also known as, is this the Pixie waterfall?
We're about 2 million of these guys in New Zealand before the Europeans turned up, but they got a bit of a clubbing over the years, and their population did get dropped down to only about 20 or 30,000.
Aww, they're so cute.
People trying to come and go, so if you could just give it a bit of room, it'd be quite...
Look at my camera. Cruise done. It was good. That was awesome. The seals were cute, but they normally have dolphins and stuff too, but we didn't see any.
Do you have any more squiggles?
No, I ate them.
Oh, can you do that thing?
You've been here too long. You need to go back to Australia.
I lost mine.
In Queenstown though.
In Queenstown.
We have come back from Milford Sound. Did I record? No, I was on the phone. We have come back from Milford Sound. It's like nearly 9, but we're gonna drive down and back into town to have some dinner and then come back and get our shit packed. Today I went onto my YouTube and I have over 30,000 views today, so thank you everybody. Wait, let's do a dance. Thank you. What a horrible present to give everybody that gave me 30,000 views.
What do you mean? What a beautiful present.
And actually, that was personal as fuck.
They pasted the label on upside down in the back.
Pretty sure this is our pizza coming out.
Wow. Thanks. That is one massive ass pizza. Half Hawaiian, half smoky meat lovers or something. Looks good.
Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Watch the next one. We'll try that again. We'll try it again.
See ya. See ya, camera.